Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. As a matter of fact, I am here at the hospital, and folks, this is just to show you and tell you what an amazing, amazing opportunity it is for anybody to have a home based business so that you can be with your loved ones. For example, I'm here with my husband in the hospital. You can see that. you know there it is, some goodies we have there. And here is my bed. This is my bed. That's my hubby is sleeping. And see folks, it's a big room here in the hospital. We have a TV up there, the clock is up there, and all of that. And here it is. This is my bed here. See, you can see that it is my bed, and I am here, and I'm having a good time. And that's what it is, folks. I mean, the moral behind having a home based business is because you want to have the time. And not only that, to have the financial freedom as well so that you can be with your loved ones. Um, you know, to be able to support, to be there for them. So, what I would like to share with you is that this amazing opportunity that I have, which is called the $25 one up. Folks, I will drop the link down below. All you need to do is click on the link, and that link will lead you and show you exactly what the business is all about. Um, as a matter of fact, the opportunity is a life changer. Trust me when I say that, it's a life changer. You make 100% full commission of multiple $25 all the way up to $500. So, folks, if you are ready, okay, get ready. As a matter of fact, I would like to make this bold statement for you to get ready if you're serious. If you are a serious entrepreneur, now is the time to make that financial breakthrough. Now is the time to make it happen. Okay, so here's the deal. What if I told you that this system here is gonna make you unlimited $100? I mean, unlimited for $25 level. You have $100. You have $250, and also you have $500 level. And folks, this is member to member. It's 100% commission. Okay, there you can see. This is, you see, I am here. You know, um, this is a table, the breakfast table for my husband, his bedside table. So I just put my laptop there, and you can see. Yeah, you can see I'm here working all from the comfort. Okay, I mean, this is what the home-based business is all about. It's, working from the comfort of in here, the hospital. My husband is sound asleep. All right, there you can see. So, folks, yes, I will drop the link below. What I need for you to do is that you need to click the subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well as hit the bell. There's a little bell someplace. Hit that bell, and that what that simply means is that you will be notified whenever I'm doing a video. Simple as that. You don't have to fumble, or whatever. So, like as I said, folks, this $25 one up, it's an amazing, amazing. Now, I do believe in having multiple streams of income. Okay, I do believe that, and all the top gurus, entrepreneurs, that's what they're doing. Folks, make no men's about it. Okay, this is what they are doing. They have multiple streams of income. So, without saying anything else, I just want you to know that um, you. I just want you to know that this $25 one up will literally change your life, folks. Let it be. Use it as a vehicle to propel you into your financial freedom. Okay, so this is one of them. I do have a few more business opportunity, all from the comfort of my home, all from the comfort of, well, once you have Wi-Fi, I'm using the hospital Wi-Fi. I'm here, with my husband. Oh, and you can see here, the stuff, yada yada, and that's it. So, folks, again, without any hesitation, I would love to welcome you into our team. By the way, um, we do have Facebook, support group, and training is amazing. I mean, TG Holloway is an amazing, amazing leader, and it is like no other. Okay, again, Sharon, Naraine, take care and peace out. Bye for now.